So I have added those tomatoes to a pot of water with some sea salt, and I'm gonna bring these to a boil. If you notice, I've scored them. That means 4 slits all the way around so that I could peel these babies when they are ready. Look at my beans looking delicious. Chicken still boiling away and coming along. Just to bring you up to date, I've got all of my veggies chopped here, the chayote squash, some celery, carrots, Mexican green onion, cilantro, and I've halved my lime. That habanero pepper is going to be going into my pot of soup when I have all of my fresh ingredients in there. Stay tuned. This is the only not fresh thing that I will be using today in my soup. Some preferably white sweet corn. White corn is a lot more crispier and actually has a sweeter flavor. It's less starchy. So I went with sweet white corn that I'm going to add to the soup. And then we're going to be adding some tomato paste. I even got some chicken stock in case our water cooks down. When you add chicken stock to your chicken breast soup, this adds flavor, because typically, you know, you make your broth with a bone meat. And today I'm using breast because it's a lot quicker. Yep, when your beans are near ready, you want to add a couple of capfuls of this. It does something surprising with the brown sugar that's already in there. I have removed that chicken out of the pot, and look at this. Fully flavored and just delicious, fully cooked. You see how juicy it is too. It's not no dry chicken breast. Okay guys, I have shredded the chicken, added it back to my broth, added the squash, carrots, and celery. I'm gonna allow this to cook until my veggies soften. I still have my tomatoes almost ready to be scored or peeled. And the chicken cooking in the broth is just gonna add back moisture. While the soup is cooking, I'm gonna add my lime juice. And now I'm gonna add my habanero pepper and bring this all to a boil. Okay, I wanna show you guys, I took the tomatoes out and I scored them. I cut them. And look how easy that makes it to peel. Just wanna peel them. Take the skin off. That way we don't have to use canned tomatoes. You can just score these and look. You have the skin and the tomato. So I'm gonna add these to my soup. The beans are almost done. Ooh, that's piping. Let's go low, go low, go low, go low. Soup is coming along really good. You know, it is so difficult recording yourself. Whew. And then once I remove the core, I'm just gonna quarter them and add them to my soup. So it'll be like diced tomatoes, diced canned tomatoes in the soup. Oh, and they're piping. I can't wait to plate this. I'm going to be eating my beans on the side with my chips. They are still cooking. London said she was okay with the beans just the way that they were, and we placed them at the bottom of her bowl with some cheese, and she's got her chips ready to go. So I'll let you know what London thinks.